Today, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your vívofit Junior 2, update your software to version 2.5, and ensure your device holds up to its 1-year battery life. Software version 2.5 is a critical update that resolves a battery drain issue which could lead to any of the following issues listed here. To begin, you'll need to replace the battery. Start by removing the module from the band. Then, use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the back of the module. Carefully remove the rear case and old battery. Make sure the rubber gasket is not damaged and that it is fully seated in the rear case. Then, insert the new battery, ensuring the negative side is facing the inside of the front cover. Reassemble the module by inserting the 4 screws. Tighten the 4 screws equally and firmly. Now, insert the module back into the band, ensuring the arrow on the module is aligned with the arrow inside the band. Next, you'll need to update the software on your device. For this process, you'll need your smartphone with the vívofit Junior app installed and the vívofit Junior 2. Begin by opening the vívofit Junior app on your smartphone. On the vívofit Junior 2 device, press and hold the button until you see the wireless icon, then release. It may take a moment to begin syncing. The device will display the sync icon when it begins syncing. The cloud icon will appear when an update is being transferred. It's important not to touch your device or walk away from your smartphone. Doing so may cause the device to drain the battery rapidly. This process can take up to 10 minutes. Finally, check to ensure you're on software version 2.5 or later. To do so, press and hold the button until you see the wireless icon. After releasing, press the button 4 times to reach the information icon. Press and hold the button until you see the software information page. If your device has an older version than 2.5, please repeat the sync process until you receive the update. With your software up to date, your device should be functioning properly. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.